finding an inspiration to grow from one plastic molding machine to over 250 plastic molding machines. From starting as a small custom molding company to becoming the largest contract manufacturing and exporters of toys in the country. That's Microplastics Private Limited from Bangalore. MPPL was promoted by Mr. Vijendra Babu in the year 2005. With the vision to be the global benchmark plastic molding company, providing one-stop solution to customer from design to contract manufacturing. Our successful journey started from 2005 with an establishment of export unit and tool room. 2012, we successfully developed in-house ERP solution from order to shipment, and today all plants of MPPL is ERP compliant. 2014, MPPL took a big step in diversifying into the world of toys by establishing exclusive contract manufacturing facility for toys and model hobby kits. 2015 met global safety and quality standards with ICTI, RBA, GSV, CTPAT and certification by Disney and Walmart. 2016 and 2019, establishing Plant 3 and 4 for further expansion of toys and model hobby kits. Today, with its state-of-the-art factories, MPPL has emerged as one of the global players in the field of plastics contract manufacturing. The engineering division of MPPL is located at Anekal near Electronic City, Bangalore. With a total manufacturing area of over 75,000 square feet, this plant is equipped with 50 injection molding machines in ranges of 30 tons to 550 tons, which includes semi-robotic operations on bigger machine. The division has in-house design team having in-depth knowledge in both product design and tool design. The tool room is equipped with modern machineries to manufacture and maintain molds up to 1 meter in size to meet requirements of both engineering and toys division. Tool room has rich experience in building complex hot runner, hot sprue and hydraulic core molds. The division also has in-house press shop with 10 to 25 tons press with gang slitting, deep draw and automatic label fixing for tinlets. Quality is one area we do not compromise at all our plants. We have state-of-the-art quality control and quality check facility, which includes periodic check of parts using profile projector and checking fixtures, use of CMM for higher accuracy check and confirmation of parts in each stage. The division is proud to be associated as preferred supplier to industry leaders like Toyota for automotive, Nokia for telecom, Bosch for power tools, Komatsu for heavy engineering, TCS for electronics, Schneider for electrical, LG for appliance, Hitachi for banking automation, Decathlon for sports equipment and Wipro for furniture. MPPL took a major jump into contract manufacturing of toys by setting up modern manufacturing facility in Bangalore with a total manufacturing area of 600,000 square feet. This division is equipped with 200 state-of-the-art injection molding machines in the range of 30 tons to 470 tons, with additional machines planned to cater to ever-increasing demand. The toys division has 150 manual spray booths, 20 automatic spray booths, over 200 tampo printing machines, blister sealing, ultrasonic welding and assembly facilities to cater to toy requirements. The toys division has its own fully automatic darts manufacturing setup to produce 200,000 per day and also developed innovative automations to improve efficiency and productivity. The division has expanded into electronic toys with in-house testing and assembly facilities for PCBA. MPPL manufactures and exports 200 million toys and model hobby kits annually to top international toy manufacturers like Hasbro. Spin Master, Artsana, Golden Bear, Kasdan, IMC, Mattel and Airfix to name a few. The company practices highest ethical and safety business standard and is certified with RBA, ICTI Class A, GSV, CTPAT, which are the backbone of the toys industries around the globe. The company follows highest quality and safety standards for toys and model hobby kits. All the materials comply with EN71 standards and are checked both internally and using external certified labs like SGS, TUV and Intertech. The in-house quality lab conducts rigorous check from incoming to shipment, ensuring quality at every stage. The division is audited and approved by major international retailers like Walmart, Disney, Target, Amazon, and direct shipments are made to these stores in every part of the world. The strength of MPPL is its trained and motivated employees. The company has a 2,000-strong workforce who are continuously trained in best practices to meet the global challenges. The company has received national and global recognition and won several prestigious awards. MPPL has become the largest contract manufacturing and exporters of toys in the country. The top management is committed to provide equal platform to both male and female employees to showcase their skills to grow with the company and has maintained healthy ratio of female employees at all levels. The company believes in helping economically backward society and hence actively contributes in the area of healthcare, education and environment. Microplastics is continuously investing on new infrastructure and resources to maintain its leadership as the country's biggest exporter of toys and rank among the best molding houses globally.